Hey friends, welcome back to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak and you can also call me Ankur. Firstly, I want to congratulate you to going so far with me, and I think you have done tremendously well job, and thanks for your support. Because of that encouraged me to make awesome videos on Laravel. And now we're finally on the CRUD operation, and this is also requested by Mashad Zaid. Mashad, you rock the comment section, nah? Okay, so we finally on the CRUD operation, and in this episode we are going to learn create operation of the CRUD. As you know that CRUD means create, read, update, and delete or destroy, whatever you want to say. Okay, so in this episode we are going to complete the create section of the CRUD operation. For that I will just go to my view in the resource folder, and in the to-do list you see that we have actually created the CRUD operation create operation in our mini project part 13 of my Laravel 5.4 series. So we will just going to enhance that system. So I will just start my server by going to command prompt cd php artisan serve, and again for other work. Okay, just minimize it, go to our server, and yes, there is an error because we don't have a welcome page, so /to do, and we know that items we have added, and there is add new section. Here we have created actually the create part of CRUD. So let's see where it is. We have to open the to do controller. So in this to do controller you can see that we have completed the create section. In the create section we will redirect to the store part where we store everything. Actually not everything, we only have a body section. So we have actually completed, but we will enhance this system. So I want this a body with a title also. So I will just add a title section. So for that I will go to create.blade.php, and in the form section here I will say this. I will just copy and paste this, and here I will delete this. For this I will say input, type is text, name is title, class is form control. Okay, let's see, refresh, and yes, you have the title. Just give a placeholder title. Okay, let's see. Yes, this is the title, and here also placeholder body. Let's see. Yeah, this is completed. So when I type here, this is new title and body is rubbish, submit, and you will see this is submitted, but this is only body submitted, but we don't have any title section here. To add the title section here I have to modify my table also. Here in this database you can see that in the to-dos table I only have a body section and no title section. What we can do, that we can just go to structure section and we can add a field, but this is not the Laravel way. I will just show you Laravel way of doing this. So for that, just go to your database folder, and in that database folder you will see migration, and there is the migration, and here you will just type another field title as a string, and to make changes we have to run a command called php artisan migrate refresh. Let's see the result, and it deleted the table and recreated it. Let's go to our database and let's see the result. In the structure part you have seen the title is also added, but our data is also lost, so don't worry for that, we will create that data. So just give it a refresh and you will see nothing because we don't have anything. So we have to add this section in our create part. Let's close this and this also, and go to our controller. Here in the store part I will just validate the title also. So we required the title also. So title, and let's see the result. Refresh, and body is written, title is nothing. Click submit, and yeah, the title field is required. So we have validate the title. So now just save that title. So to do title is request title. Okay, and here what I will do, I will just make unique title, not the body can be anything, but title must be unique in our new case. So we have everything set. Now we have, this is new title, this is new body, submit, and yes, this is new body, because we have shown here only body. What we can do, that we can go to our home.blade.php. Instead of body, I can type here title and give it refresh. This is new title. Okay, and as we know that t is small, in the accessor part we just go to our model. In the app folder, this is a to do model, and we can change this to title and give it a refresh, and yeah, you can see that T is capitalized because of the accessor we have learned in the, I think, part 14. And you can do same thing in the mutator also. Instead of body, you can just type title, and here also you have to type title, and then go to the home page and add new, and I will say title 2, this is another body, and hit submit, and you can see that this is new title. And in this case the T is capitalized, and you can just check by uncommenting the accessor and refresh. So first is not capitalized, second is capitalized, because we have placed a mutator which change the field, so it will just submitted that title with the capital T, so we does not need an accessor. Okay, just check this accessor so that everything will be capitalized. Okay, so we have done the create part. I think you have to go to the part 13 to check the whole process of creating the create part of the CRUD. So if you have any doubt in this episode, please feel free to comment me. Next episode we will talk about the read section of this CRUD operation. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and please subscribe to my channel for the new updates of Laravel and the cool thing about the Laravels. And if you have any doubt, if you want to learn anything new, just feel free to comment me. I will make a video for you. Like Mashad, he has requested me a lot of things, and thank you man, thank you very much for your support. And please share this video with your developer friends, and till then we will meet in the next episode. Bye.